Lesson 8.5 area. This is your practice packet starting on page number 11. So we're going to round to the nearest hundredth here if we need to. For the first example, we have a triangle. So our formula is area equals 1/2 times base times height. I'm going to do 1/2. My base is 12.5 and my height is 15.4. So when I multiply 1/2 times 12.5 times 15.4, I get 200 and, I did not do 1/2, sorry. 1/2 times 12.5 times 15.4. Helps if you pay attention. I got 96.25. Sorry about that. So we have 96.25, and that's going to be millimeters squared. For this next one, I do have a square, so my area is S squared. I should always write that formula, plugging in my S7 for my S. 7 squared is 49, and this is going to be inches squared. For number 3, this is a parallelogram, so I have base times height. My base is 90, and my height is 11. So 90 times 11 will give me 990 centimeters squared for that example. For number 4, down here at the bottom, I do have, these are challenge problems watching your units. So I do notice that this is 108 inches. The other ones all say feet. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 12 here, which gives me that this height is 9 feet. This is a trapezoid, so I have area equals 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2. So 1/2 times 9, and then in parentheses, 10 plus 6 is what I'm going to have here. So 1/2 times 9 times 16, because I'm adding those first, I get 72 feet squared. For this next example, I see feet and yards. I'm going to just change it to yards because I can divide by 3 pretty easily here. Area for a rectangle is length times width, so I'm going to do 7 times 9. So my area is 63 yards squared on this example. For number 6, the state of Nevada roughly represents one of the polygons we've been studying. What is the name of the polygon? So looking at this one, we have those 2 parallel sides. We have that height inside there. This looks like a trapezoid. So using the formula for the polygon, what's the approximate area of Nevada? So area for a trapezoid is 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. So my height is 306.7, and we're going to multiply times the sum of the bases, which is right there. So 1/2 times 306.7 times the sum of 206.6 plus 480.9, which is going to give me 105,428.125. That's going to be miles squared here for that one. The next one, Tennessee is also represented by a polygon that we've studied. What's the name of the polygon? This one just has a base, has a height. It's going to look like a parallelogram because it looks like the top and bottom are relatively parallel to each other. Close enough because we're just trying to guess here. So for a parallelogram, our formula is going to be base times height. So our base is 438.9 and our height is 120.5. And multiplying those two together, we get 52,887.45 square miles then. And that is it for lesson 8.5, your practice packet.